Good morning, everybody. LGVN going to the moon, guys. We did the major update for you guys for LGVN yesterday. It was a great hunt, and we have a great entry from yesterday around the $3.26. Now is jumping in the pre-market 100%, guys. So LGVN is the top gainer for today. Are we gonna have another jump or not? This is the main question. VVBR, guys, pulled back. We already did a good trade today for this one on our live streaming today. For VVBR is going down near the support. NAS didn't reverse from our bottom, so we closed this trade with a little loss because we spotted a reversal zone over the 4.85, but the price didn't reverse. So for this one, we might have an entry after that if we broke the 530, but for now is not good and wise to enter for this trade yet. Again, this one we have a great trade in the pre-market. VBRX, we traded as well in the pre-market. We closed all of those trades early in the pre-market, guys. The best trade we did, it was for NAS. We closed it around the $6.38. So those the stock that we have to watch for today. ZAB is pulling down today 25% instead. Yesterday 100%. So this is for today, guys. We have LGVN, the top gainer, hit all our profit taking, and now is hovering around the 7. So for this one, guys, already hit major level. We've got a major resistance to break at the market open. I think we already tested around the 711. But yeah, for this one, guys, time I think to take profit for this one. Yeah, we might go toward the 11, but now it's getting risky. That's why it's pulling back pretty hard a bit because we've spotted a big seller right now around the $7.10. Guys, this one was great from yesterday. Now we might have a pullback until the $4.27, which is the current support. Resistance already hit around the 709. So guys, a great hunt for LGVN. Again, this one was from yesterday hunt. And we discussed it today in our live streaming, of course. We discussed LGVN. We have a great hunt for LGVN twice. So we opened the trade actually today after we have a confirmation for this breakout. We entered twice, and the price pulled back. We entered around the pullback. It was great hunt for us, guys. We spotted this in the pre-market today. Let me just show you. It was in our live streaming today. LGVN, we spotted LGVN early today, guys. Let me just check here when we did for LGVN. We spotted before the breakout. We have IB, PEGY. I don't know where we spotted LGVN. Yeah, here, guys. LGVN, we spotted LGVN here around this breakout, as you can look. It was good. We spotted this breakout and we said the $3.80 and $4.24 is the profit taken. And yeah, resistance was around the $3.42. We said the $2.92 is the support. So we entered around this pullback for the LGVN. It was great. But before, I think we discussed LGVN before even the breakout during our live streaming, early live streaming. Yeah, here, guys. You see here? It was really early before this breakout. LGVN was hovering in this box, in this or in this flag. So we discussed LGVN before even the breakout, and we put it on the top list. with Nas. So this was in our early live streaming, everybody, before LGVN jumped 100%. So LGVN, we spotted here, guys, before this breakout, but we entered after the breakout. So LGVN is the number one, guys, and we're still holding this trade. We're still holding this trade at the moment. How everybody doing? Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Finally, we have a great trade for this week. Good morning, everybody. Hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget. IVB. John asked about IVB. Brother, IVB have the same trend as LGVN. We about to break this flag. We have a target around the 615 and the 1145. So we need to hold over this flag, brother, to have a breakout for IVB. This one, guys, have a bit of selling pressure right now. So a bit worried that we're gonna have a flush if we broke this flag down. We're about to do something here, guys. If we broke the 577, is mean we're gonna have a dive, and it's not good to hold. It's time to close the position. Simple as that, guys. We have a seller, it's still selling. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. We always go live every day to hunt for the market. Today we traded LGVN. We spotted the breakout early from this flag, guys, around $2.90. The pre-market live streaming, we did it on our Discord, as you can see here. Before the breakout, we spotted LGVN. And we have, of course, an entry after the breakout, after the confirmation. That's why we have an average around the $3.26. Now we're waiting until we break this flag up. If we want to have another squeeze up, we need to break this flag. Okay, we've got a few stocks. K Zia. Let me just check this one. Wow, this one is jumping as well. We have support here, a bit. And I think this one just came right now, guys. Okay. I don't feel comfortable trading this one, guys. It's not interesting, it's not sexy. Yeah, it's not that sexy. I would put it on my maybe list. Let's check if we have something else. If there's something. LGVN number one, of course. Still looking good, guys. LGVN is number one, is about to break this flag. If we break it up, we're gonna have the 797 or 707. This is the would be another squeeze zone toward the 890 and the 1170. Otherwise, we flush down. We already have an entry on our pre-market live streaming, and we wait for another break. We do train stop. As long as the price hold here, we're gonna do train stop to ride this one up. While we close our trade, if we could make more profit. This is not greed, guys. This is kind of wise to do, actually. Okay, we have AP, we've got Seal. Today, to be honest, everybody, the market is generous today, really generous and active. Today is unusual day, guys. Look at this, LGVN trying to break again. Hallelujah. LGVN today is the gainer, the top gainer for today. Should be, it should be the top gainer. Let me just check if we got something else. Okay, nothing much. Guys, IVB is the only one, or LVGN is the only one that looking good. With VBRX is about to break the $2.15. LGVN is still testing here. Still testing, guys. It's getting tight. It's getting really tight here. Let us clean our list here. Nicola, someone said is good. Yeah, but is going down now. Nikola is going down. MLGO, the same, is going down. This one breaking the support. Yeah, ASTS looking interesting for a breakout. PEGY. That's not bad, guys. PEGY. I will keep it on the list. Max N. I will put it on the maybe list. We've got IVB. Let's see if we got something. Yeah, it's good. This one as well is good. Zap is time to have a pullback. Yes, overextended. SNGX. NAS, it could be good if we broke the 530, guys. VPRX, we have a breakout here. We might have a squeeze, guys. So keep your eyes closed for VPRX. So we have VPRX and VVBR and LGVN, of course. Those the one that we have to watch. So we have this and we have VPRX. How everybody doing? VRBX, I mean. Yeah, interesting, guys. This one looking really interesting. We have a support here around the 196. We got current resistance around the $2.29. Yeah, VPRX is about to do something, guys. Oh yeah, we have something squeezing ARQT. Let's see. No, it's not. So LGVN, guys, and VPRX is the one. Both of them are ready, guys, for the VPRX is about to squeeze 30. We have the $3.09 as a target. VVBR is pulling back, so we be ready to have the breakout next time for reversal. So VVBR, I don't like it that much. So NAS, I like it more. So I'm gonna put it down. So we have three stocks. LGVN number one, and we already have an entry for it. LGVN is number one, guys, because it's still holding the 576. After that, we have VPRX because it's about to break the $2.30. We don't have an entry yet. And NAS, we're waiting for a breakout from the 530 for entry. Otherwise, we enter around the $3.19 instead. So we have just three stocks to watch, guys, for today. Okay, watch out, everybody, for LGVN. We have a bit of weakness. I might close this trade, guys, because we expecting a pullback at the market open. It was good entry in the pre-market, as you can see here in our Discord and our live streaming, exclusive live streaming that we trade the market live early because we have a good entry for this one after the breakout around the $3.23. And now is overextended, man. It's too much. That's why the pre-market is the best place to have a better entry. So let me just put the link, guys, if you want to join us for tomorrow. You have always opportunity, guys. Don't say I miss LGBN, I miss this trade. No, there's always opportunity. Here's the link, everybody, if you want to join our early hunt. Is on the live chat section. For now, guys, so we've got 3 minutes left at the market open. So the game plan, I'm gonna close my trade on LGVN that we open in the pre-market before the market open, because it's kind of gambling, guys. Once the market open, we're gonna have a volatility and it's really hard to predict what's gonna happen. So it's better to close the trade before the market open, because right now we have just 2 minutes left. But before we close it, let us talk about our disclaimer for today, guys, before the market open. We've got a few minutes. So, so remember, guys, our live stream is a bit delayed. So don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. We're not financial advisor. So never run after the price. Instead, let it come to you. So hit the like, guys. If this is the first time, subscribe and join our hunt. And this trade, as we said, guys, LGVN, we entered early in the pre-market today, around the $3 before this breakout from the flag. That's why we suggest to close this trade, because we already have a good profit on it. So we expect a huge pullback at the market open. So guys, watch out for this one. I'm gonna close it before the market open with our profit right now. The greed is not good, guys. Yeah, we might have a huge push around the 7, but then we're gonna have a huge push down. So I'm gonna close it right now, then I wait for another entry. Great hunt for our hunters for LGBN. Dave took his profit as well on LGBN for today, VVBR. Yeah, you took on VVBR, and this is Energy Pineapple. I think you took profit even on Intel, the swing trade that we did earlier. Great hunt, Dave. So, guys, LGVN is preparing for a pullback. The market is about to open right now. So let's see if we're gonna have a push up or push down. LGVN is the number one, guys. Huge fight for LGVN. Be careful, guys. LGVN is flashing now. LGVN is still fighting the short. VBRX is the the one that look good right now. We've got VBRX, guys, the one. I think it's halted up right now. No, it's not halted yet. Be careful, guys. VBRX. LGVN is still holding. So VBRX did great right now, guys. VBRX did great. We have this one as well, did great, guys. From yesterday, QURE. Again, this trade was from yesterday, swing trade. We did LGVN, guys, and we did QURE. Those both trade was from yesterday. And IVP, of course. We have three good trade for yesterday. LGVN did 100%. QURE is here. We jumped and almost hit the profit taken around the 732. So it's good. The other trade that we did yesterday, it was IVB, and IVB is doing a great as well, is about to break the 3.77. A great hunt, guys. Yesterday we did really good for 3 hunts. Unicorn hunt, guys, is mean day trade, okay? You could hold it overnight, but you have to put a small position because everything goes. LGVN, as we expected, guys, we expect a flush right now. We don't break this flag up, so there's a chance for a huge flush down. That's why we close it before the market open, guys. This one was perfect to enter here on the pre-market. We spotted this trade early on our live streaming hunt for today. We snatched some gains in the pre-market, as you can see here, for NAS, for LGVN. We closed the trade around the $3.24. Then we entered again around the $3.24 because we're holding the support, and we ride it until before the market open around the 6. So now it's dangerous, guys. I don't like this support here. It's shabby right now. It's really shabby. It's not confirmed yet, this breakout. VBRX, on the other hand, look really strong. I think I'm done for today, guys. After the trade of LGVN, I don't want to over trade, guys. LGVN made our day. Now I'm waiting for LGVN to flash, guys. Perfect. Now it's flashing down. It was great hunt for LGVN, guys. The best trade for this week, actually. We entered here. Let me just show you in the pre-market. And we exited just before the market opened by 1 minute because we expected the flash down. Now LGVN want to go here, guys, over the $4.50 for a reversal. It's overextended here, guys. This is FOMO. We sell with the market maker here. We buy with the market maker there. Not in between, guys. It's not good to buy here. VBRX is still strong. We have a target around the $3.09. QRURE is still holding. As we said, guys, this trade was from yesterday. LGVN, we spotted this breakout from yesterday, $3.14. We said support is 265. After that, QURE from yesterday, and IVP, we did even AMC, but this was 2 days ago. So yesterday we did QURE and LGVN, just two stocks. QURE, guys, looking pretty nice from yesterday, and it's still jumping here, still jumping nicely. So yeah, should be our last trade for today, QURE with LGVN. Really nice day today, guys. Really good day. Okay, this one not that good, guys. Casia. So we got IVB is about to squeeze. AMC and GameStop started to move, guys. GameStop started to move. Look at that. Now we have a confirmation for a breakout on this flag. Really good. Now we have the 26 to break, and hallelujah for GameStop. And of course, the volume need to be over 50 million, but it's not the problem. Here, the problem around the 26. Okay, VVBR is started to reverse from our support. Perfect reversal from the 409. NAS is game over, guys. I don't like it here anymore. I don't like it, to be honest. It's really weak. So NAS is not in our list anymore. I'm gonna bring VVBR, maybe IVB. So we have 4 right now. IVB, it looked really good for a breakout, guys. VPRX is still good. LGVN is pulling back as we expected, guys. That's why we closed our trade exactly before the market opened by 1 minute, because we expected a pullback. So we entered here around this accumulation and we exited there before the market opened around the flag down. LGVN, the best trade for today and this week, guys, because it has a perfect entry and perfect exit. Sometimes it's really hard to have the perfection in entry and exit. IVB, this is good, brother, because right now is breaking a major resistance. So this one I might close it in order to focus on QURE, guys. I'm closing it because I want to go toward IVB because it looked good. Aha, IVB, we don't have it, guys. We don't have it on our broker, but it looked good, guys. If you want to trade it, looking really good because we have a breakout right now. So what we've got, VPRX, guys, is the one that's squeezing right now, hitting the profit taken out of the 3009. LGVN still pulling back. VVBR is still holding the support. So yeah, we've got only three stocks to trade. 3 stocks to trade, and the strongest one is VPRX, the strongest one. It hit our profit taking the 309. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Thank you for the support. Thank you for being here. Today we have a huge day, guys, for LGVN, QURE, and VPRX. We already closed our trade in the pre-market, and we have another trade after the market open for LGVN, of course, and for NAS that we close it before the huge shorts. We close it around the 638. And for VPRX, we got a little amount of money on this one. That's why we got a little amount of gain. But profit is profit, guys. Don't get angry or something like this. Sometimes it happen, you know, when you get out like fast, you piece yourself up because you think that you missed the profit, you know. So it's the same as losing money is even losing profit is kind of affect your psychology. So don't make this change your trading, have revenge trading and things like this. This is make you lose money. Just be carefree as possible. Think as trading and making money from trading as a game, not even a business. A lot of people talking about trading, making it as a business, and this is make it stressful because if you ever have a business before, it's stressful, man. Having a business is stressful. It's like having a baby. It's not enjoying your day. You can enjoy your day where you have a baby. You know, it's a big responsibility. The baby could die. You have to feed him. He's crying at night. Yes, having a baby is cute and fun, but it's not. You need to be disciplined. You need to nurture the baby. The same as a business. For trading, if you make it or behave or you try to make it as a business and make it serious, you make mistakes because your life depended on it. And trading is not like this, guys. It's the opposite. It's the opposite as making a business. It's more like playing a football or playing a music without expecting getting money in return. The way you think like this make you carefree at the same time, less stress at the same time. You have your like focus on making just the trade, spotting the pattern. That's it. Think of it as a game. Don't even expect money from it. If you expect money from the game, it mean you're gambling. Okay, it's mean kind of gambling, and you make it kind of not fun anymore. The same is like for me when I play music, I'm not expecting money in return because if I did it, I'm gonna sell my soul to the devil, and I'm not gonna join the music anymore. So yeah, trading is like making music for me, making music or gazing to the stars, you know. There's a lot of question, but sometimes there's no answer. So let's see. VPRX is pulling back, man, is pulling back. So VPRX is the one that look really good for now with LGVN. LGVN still pulling back. What a nice trade, guys, really. It pulled back right at the market open, guys. Hopefully you took your profit with us here. Fight that devil, man. You know what? The devil, you can fight it, man. You know what how you fight the devil is to be his friend. You should be a friend with the devil in order the devil never come to you, you know? Devil like resistance. If you want to resist the devil will come to your life. You know? This the devil is like a toxic girlfriend, you know? If you give her attention, she will give you fire. She will make your life live in hell. However, if you just ignoring her, keep her yelling, and never give her the time to yell back, the fire will put off by herself. It's like fire, you know? If you put oxygen in a fire, the fire will grow. But if you leave the fire be, the fire will exhaust its own energy and just die. So it's the same with devil. You don't have to have holy water. You don't have to give attention to the devil. Just don't expect there is a devil in the first place. Okay, LGBN is putting back toward our support. VBRX, pretty good. VVBR game over here, guys. It broke the support. The trend is changed. The trend is changed right now for VVBR, guys. I don't like the trend now. It's a bit weak, a bit. The bottom support is the 292, but I'm not trading it. IVB is have a weak breakout here, really weak, because the volume is really weak, guys. So John, if you hear me, IVB is really dangerous, brother. If you traded this one, please either exit or just keep a small position because I don't trust this breakout. 350K of worth of volume is not enough. NAS is not good now. QURE is still really looking pretty nice. I'm gonna put it on the main list. Kezia, I don't trust it. PEGY, not ready yet until we break the level of resistance. SNGX, it could be good if we broke the 11. FFIE is kind of all right, but we need to break the 47. Okay, so Lucy starts to move. So LGVN, man, LGVN started to reverse a bit. You see what's happening, guys? We're getting near a major level at the moment. Okay, so LGVN looking interesting, guys. But I'm not trusting entering here because we might get rejected and going down again. So I will wait for entry later. VPRX is still strong. This one, I will adjust the. We have to update the support there. QURE from yesterday. QURE. Okay, we've got this one as well. And VVBR is still pulling back, so I'm gonna take it from the main list. IVB is still looking good. And that's it, guys. That's it. LGVN number one for today. So let us see if we got something here. We got Nvidia still gaining some ground, Tesla as well, AMD 2%, guys. AMD is stronger. Raving, we have 2%. Nice. Raven, we have a good breakout here. Okay, we have INTC. We need to break the 3485, guys, for Intel if we don't want to have a dive down, to be honest. Big seller still adding around the 3485. So be careful, guys. We might have a bit of red day if we don't break the 3490. Already put alert for it. And if we didn't, it mean we're gonna have a dive down. Because Intel have a nice jump, guys. From there to here, almost 12%. We discussed this on our King swing trade, as you can see. Raven, we discussed Raven, of course. And we discussed Tesla. And last month, we discussed INTC or Intel. Once the price was around the $30, now it's 34. There is a big seller right now around the 34.90, guys. So I'm worried if we don't break it, it means we're gonna have a dive. A dive for Intel toward the 32.94. This would be a dive of almost 4%. So I'm gonna be extremely careful with this trade. I will put alert here around the 34.15 just in case if we dived. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. ICU offering 10.55 price, currently down 40%. Wow, thank you for the reminder. ICU is on the top loser, I think. Yes, ICU is on the top loser list here. Jumped down almost 40% on the news of offering. We have reverse split 1 to 25. The price reversed and pumped, then offering, and everything went down. We have Zap 32% for today. Zap was the top gainer yesterday and now is the on the top losers. Zap is still looking interesting, guys. It's just correcting right now. 32% is not bad. Is not that bad. So VBRX here on the top volume gainers or the top gainers for today. It look interesting for entry as well. Again, could be good with LGVN. Okay, IVB guys, we got a nice breakout. $3.73 is the current support. We held it perfectly, so it's nice now. IVB looking nice. How much we did here? 15%. Yeah, IVB looking nice now. We got the target around the 527, John, if you hear me. This one, it could go toward the 696 and the 976. And the top, the first profit taken is the 527. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Remember, we always go live every day. We do swing trade. Last time we did for Intel. Last month we did the two swing trade, 2-day trade LGBN. We snatched 88% on this trade for today, and QURE. Both of them did great. We did IVB the day before. We did AMC. So many stocks. VVPR was the best trade from last week. And it's still nice for today. I think VVBR is $3.80, and once we did this chart, it was around, I think, as you can look here, I think around yeah, it was around the 264. So yeah, good trade as well. And the live streaming, we discussed LGVN. It was before the breakout, and we entered after the breakout. So LGVN was good as well. So if you want to have access to those live streaming early, before even the market open, you can join us with our hunters like Dave took already profit on those trade for VVBR, LGVN, and many stocks, and even Intel. Great hunt, Dave. Mr. Nazim today was sleeping, but I think he got enough because he traded LGVN with us and he have a really good profit. So I think he have a holiday, early holiday after this game from LGVN. Great hunt, brother. For us as well, we close our trade for today early for some stocks like NAS. And LGVN, we took profit around the 324, then we entered again and we ride it until 6. Yeah, we almost double it for the gains for this trade. So again, guys, the link in the live chat section for our Patreon. Again, how it works is really simple. You just join our Patreon on the King or the Elite members. After that, you're gonna have access automatically to our Discord, where we have early live streaming, early pre-market before the live streaming, and of course, day trade after we finish our live streaming. Right now on YouTube, we continue to our chart like yesterday we did for LGV and before the squeeze 100%, guys. Swing trade, we do it not daily, but depends on the setup. Like for INTC, we spotted this bottom reversal for entry. So guys, we have many swing trade, day trade, live streaming, watch list, everything on Discord and Patreon. So join us on the live chat section down for our Patreon link. If you have any question, guys, here's my email. If you have any question, trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. This is the only way to contact me, guys. Be careful from the scammers. We don't have Telegram. We don't have any numbers, only email. Or if you want to have access to me, you can join our Patreon or Discord for uh, more safer access and direct access to me and faster reply, of course, on Discord. Nas is halted up. Nice. Yes, G's 95. Discipline Hunter already sold out, brother. We don't have any place left on this level. INTC, I think, is breaking some level. Yeah, INTC is breaking down, guys. It's not good. The short is shorting INTC. Yeah, it's shorting INTC. So it's not good. It's not good, man. It's not good. Big seller just came around the 34.89. This bastard, man. Big seller. Wow. Okay, today we might have a red day for Intel, guys, because the short just added their position around the 34.89. We dive 2%. And from there, another almost 2%. So yeah, Intel is diving down a bit. We have a bit of struggle to go up. 34. Okay, we got some buyers here. There's some people buying the dip. Some people buying the dip. But this is not the perfect dip. It's not good. It's not good dip to buy, to be honest. Okay, we have a bit of pullback here. Okay, still looking interesting. Okay, how everybody doing? Yeah, we have a bit of pullback now for the market. So LGVN still have a struggle to break this channel. 584 is the current resistance. Yeah, VPRX is pulling back. IVP pulling back. QURE, guys, is still jumping from yesterday. Nice hunt on this one, guys. Really good hunt. It was good entry from the breakout, the 625. 679, we said the profit taken, and now is 767. So this one already hit our profit taken. Going to the second, I think. Yeah, 795. It's going toward the 790. So guys, this one of the good trade from yesterday. I'm gonna adjust the support there. Resistant, put it around the 795 or 96. So yeah, this one looking really juicy, guys. QURE, one of the trade that we did yesterday with LGVN. Great hunt, everybody. This is a great hunt. This is what we called a great hunt. So this one hit with a wall around the 448. Huge wall. Okay, VBRX is preparing for a squeeze. Again, VBRX, guys, preparing for something. Oh man, and NAS tried to break the resistance here, but we didn't. Looking really interesting. NAS looking really interesting now. So I'm gonna put it on the list. So we have 5 stocks looking pretty nice. Let's see. VBRX is preparing for a breakout. Greg said VBRX on TradingView he could only sell. Great. Let me just check here. VPRX. No, I could buy, Brennan. For me, I could buy, but limited time. Limited shares. Limited shares. So VBRX looking interesting here. We could buy almost 730 shares. This is the only shares that we could buy. We've got the $2.80, I think, is the resistance to break. I'm still waiting for a breakout here. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button and the way in. We always go live, as we said, 30 minutes before the market open and 2 hours and 30 minutes on our Discord. What does mean Discord? Is the community, the private community that we have all our hunters together. We share knowledge, we share questions, we share answers and profit together with us. So we've got day trade, swing trade, live streaming early, almost 2 hours and 30 minutes before the market open. We do it here every day. Today we cut LGVN before even the breakout on our live streaming, guys. LGVN, we traded NAS, as you can look here on the early breakout. We traded LGVN right there, guys. It was early breakout in the pre-market. It was perfect entry, as you see here. We spotted this breakout, and we said really great entry for LGVN after this breakout from the flag. So join us, guys. The link in the live chat section if you want to have early access. Plus, remember, guys, always in the pre-market is much volatile because the news hit the market early in the pre-market. That's why we trade in the pre-market more. You can buy, brother, when you press review order, it says sell only. Okay, let me just confirm it right now. Let me just confirm this. Aha, VBRX has been limited to selling shares only. Exactly. So guys, if you live in Europe, this is what you're gonna see. VBRX is not available to buy. But brother Greg, this could change by tomorrow, okay? Check it tomorrow because this is not like permanent. It happened before to me, then it changed. So we check it tomorrow. Then we're gonna take it from the list, brother. We're gonna take VBRX from the list. IVB, we're gonna take it from the list because we can trade it as well. So we have NAS, we have LGVN, and QURE. This is it. We have just 3 stocks. LGVN trying to break this channel, guys, to squeeze once again. LGVN is preparing for another squeeze. Jeez, he said I'm too broke. Man, think of it as investing, brother. It's like you tell me I'm too lazy to get a car. Of course, if you're lazy, you have to get the car, but you don't have money to get the car, so you have to work to get the car. So this is the paradox, brother. This is the paradox that you live right now in. You want to make money, but you don't have money. So the idea here, you have to have money in order to make money. You have to sacrifice your time in order to get money. Then when you get a lot of money, you have to sacrifice the money to get more time. But eventually you're gonna lose the time and money, and then we perish or we die. So the idea here, you have to act quickly to gain money in order to have more free time to yourself. So now don't say is expensive, say it is not affordable to me. If you say I'm broke, if you say I'm poor, this is the mindset is not for trading, is not for trader. Okay, don't think about trading as money, but think about is a personality, a growth, a journey that you go through that will change your life completely, guys. It's not about money with trading for me anymore. It's about grit, is about personality, perseverance, discipline. So if you be trader, you have to be disciplined. You have to sacrifice. You have to, if you have a problem, like you said, I'm broke, I can't kind of afford the king level, you have to find a solution for that, brother. You have to find the solution. And the solution is already clear. Is already clear in front of you. But yeah, brother, yes, the discipline hunter for now is sold out. Eventually, already sold out, brother. So you have the king or the elite to choose from for now. And again, once you join the king or the elite, you have the early live streaming. So if you join the discipline hunter, you don't have access to this live streaming, okay? You don't have access to our live trading. So it's better to choose the king actually in order to have the live streaming. It's a win-win, brother, a win-win situation. Plus, on the live streaming, brother, or on the king level, you can have one-on-one Zoom meeting. In the Discipline Hunter, you don't have it. So the value for your money is the king, of course, brother, is way, way better than Discipline Hunter. So let's get right to it. Let's see the market, where we gonna go. So what we have here. NAS is halted down, I think, man. Yeah, I think it's halted down. Now it's unhalted. Let us see which stock is halted now. We have CGBS and NAS. NAS is unhalted, I think, now. Yes, CGBS. And this one is dead. So we've got NAS is okay. This one is okay. VBRX, nothing much. Okay, so the market is now is not tradable for me, guys. Yeah, the market is not tradable for me right now. I'm gonna take a rest. Trading LGVN late. I'm gonna do update for you guys, chart analysis update. Today it was great hunt for LGVN here on our live streaming before the market opened. Great hunt, guys, for LGVN. It was a great call to enter before even the breakout from the $3.42. So after that, the stock is squeezed almost 100% after we spot this breakout. Of course, the support we said the $2.90, and we entered around this pullback. We expected the pullback to hold over the $2.90. So yeah, after all, good. Again, guys, we're gonna do update later on the unicorn hunt, which is mean day trade. We're gonna update you about the LGVN, NAAS, QURE, like what we did yesterday. Yesterday we did update for LGVN for entry and QURE. Both of them hit our profit taking. MacTefash solution, break it down to a trial. Ah man, this is good one. Yes, free trial for okay, you know what I'm gonna do? Mac Tafish, he have a good idea right now about giving a free trial for the king level. So right now we have someone broke and he don't have money. So we're gonna do a solution for everybody. We're gonna have a 1 week free trial on the king level. As Mac, he suggested right now to open the king level for free trial for people to try without paying nothing. So you know what? I'm gonna do it right now, guys. I'm gonna do it right now before I forget. I will open the free trial. So free trial is mean allow members to try this trial for 7 days before charging them up. So guys, right now I'm gonna save and you're gonna have free trial. It's open just for today, guys. Just snatch your level for free. You have 7 day free trial right now. So try to save your spot before I'm gonna close it for tomorrow. Okay, just 1 day free trial for the king level because we got some people have no money, and I think this is the best solution, brother. You don't have to pay anything for 1 week. So free trial, just free trial for today. So yeah, I'm all in for anybody want to trade and want to improve their life, and at the same time, I've been in his situation, like I've been in situation we don't have money before, so I can understand completely, brother. So if you can hear me, brother, I solved the problem for you. There is always a solution, you see. Mac got the solution. The perfect solution is getting 1 week free trial for everybody who want to try the king level. Commission, please. Mac, yeah, you can be my manager actually. This you're good. I think you have a business. I think Mac Tefish, he already have a business. G's 97. You are welcome, man. You are welcome. Yes, so now, as we said, guys, we already opened the free trial. Please, brother, get your free trial right now. You have 7 days. You don't have to pay nothing from now, brother. So this is the issue of having no money. So there's no excuse, guys. There's no excuse right now to join our Patreon because you have a free trial on the king level, because the discipline hunter is already sold out and some of you can afford it. So we have opened the king level, but with free trial. So guys, thank you for watching. It's not your king level, and of course, see you by tomorrow to early hunt. So if you join us tomorrow, guys, you're gonna have access to our live early streaming to trade with us, pre-market watch list, unicorn hunt, day trade, many things. So join us and see you there. And thank you for watching. And see you by tomorrow, of course, to hunt with us 30 minutes before the market open. See you by tomorrow, guys.